get off me!
Stop resisting!
On the couch.
Whoa, whoa, hey, what are you guys doing?
Help us get him down!
I need a haircut. I need to get a haircut.
What is wrong with him? Strap him!
He wants to get a haircut.
It's too long.
It's a perfectly fine length. It looks good.
No!
What is happening? Once a month, he gets the inexplicable urge to get a haircut right when his hair starts looking good.
It'll look better short.
You hate how it looks when it's short.
It'll be different this time.
We caught him running barefoot to a sports clip.
Take me back.
No! Listen to me! Just go to a salon. No, don't. Salon? No, it is not. Salon. He's losing it. Show him the picture.
Look, man, this.